Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix slow download speeds on your Xbox application. Let's begin. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection and then close any unnecessary applications on your PC. For example, Steam, you can right click exit Steam or any other applications or software out there. Next, I want you to go to your Windows Start button over here and then type in services. Click on this and over here, we can minimize this. I want you to look for gaming services. You can scroll down or you can select and then type gaming services. So gaming services, right click on it and then click on restart. Next is we need to go to Windows Update. Scroll down, Windows Update. This, right click, also click on restart. And finally, background intelligent transfer service. So right click and then choose restart, right? Once done, you can now close this section. Then I want you to go to your Windows Start button over here, type apps and features, all right? Select on it. Over here, I want you to look for Xbox application on the search bar. So Xbox, here, you can left click on it once. It will reveal more options. Go to advanced options. Over here, scroll down until you see this option. Repair, reset, and uninstall. First, we will start with repair. Once done, try to relaunch Xbox. And if you believe everything is now working normally, you're good to go. If not, proceed to reset. And same if it's still not, or you're not noticing any difference at all, what you need to do is click on terminate. And it shows in here immediately terminate this app and its related processes. So it might ask you to relog in again. And if that still doesn't work, then the last resort is to uninstall this app and its settings, but your documents will not be affected at all. So if you successfully followed all of these steps, it is guaranteed that your download speeds will skyrocket. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.